Hello dear students, my name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Here we are presenting solutions for KEPY 2019 SX stream, that is class 12, part 1. Let's have a look at the problem taken in this video, question number 4 from the paper. It says let AB be a line segment with the midpoint C and D be the midpoint of AC. Let C1 be the circle with AB as original AB as diameter, then C2 be the circle with AC as diameter. C was the midpoint of AB. E be a point on C1 such that EC is perpendicular to AB. F be the point on C2 such that DF is perpendicular to AB, and E and F lie on the opposite sides of AB. Then the value of sine of angle FEC is 1 by root 10, 2 by root 10, 1 by root 10, 2 by root 10. Let's see how can we solve it easily. So we'll have to first draw a picture according to the situation given. I'm taking AB as, okay, let's consider AB to be like this, AB to be like this, and okay, A here, B here, C is the midpoint of AB, C here, and okay, D is the midpoint of AC, D here, right? Then let's see one with the circle with AB as diameter. So I'll have to draw a circle with AB as diameter. So I'm just trying to draw it roughly, somewhat like this, right? Chalega? Okay. So, and C2 be the circle with AC as diameter, somewhat like this. Okay. Now it shows like this, right? Now E be the point of C1 such that EC is perpendicular to AB. EC C1, this is circle C1, bigger circle. So E is just vertically up or down, so I'm taking vertically up here. So E is here. EC is perpendicular to AB now. EC is perpendicular to AB. F is the point on C2, smaller circle C2, such that DF is perpendicular to AB, DF. And E and F are on the opposite side, line the opposite side. So DF, F is here. Clear? Right. And the value of angle FEC. The question is not tough. In fact, if I extend it further little bit, and you see this, okay, horizontal line. So obviously this the radius of the bigger circle is suppose R. So the smaller circle will have radius R by 2, R by 2, R by 2, isn't it? So this is R by 2, this is R by 2, bigger circle is R. So if angle FEC, so I have to join F with E. This angle is required, in fact, sine of this angle. Sine of this angle is, suppose this is P, sine of angle FEC is equal to PF upon EF, isn't it? So PF is R by 2. And what about EF? EF from the right angle triangle is under root of R by 2 whole square plus EP. Like this is PF upon under root of PF square plus EP square, isn't it? So this is EP is R plus R by 2, that is 3R by 2 whole square. So finally we get the required answer as R2 got cancelled, R got cancelled, 1 upon 1 plus 9, that is 10, 1 upon root 10 in fact. So final answer to this question must be 1 upon root 10. So quite an easy problem. So 1 by root 10 is the final answer. I hope you understood this solution is a simple figure and very easy way to get the angle required, sine of the angle. I hope you understood. Stay tuned for the next question.